Are you trapped in the monotonous cycle of the 9-to-5 grind? Do you dream of escaping from the suffocating grip of your employer? Well, brace yourself, as the dream of financial independence is well within your reach. Enter the world of the freelance digital marketing business model, a revolutionary shift that's redefining the landscape of passive income. And the best part? It's designed with beginners in mind. What's the catch? There isn't one. Forget about the hassles of products, experience, technical skills, a team, or even customer support. The focus here is on simplicity and efficiency. Kickstart your journey in as little as 72 hours. Yes, you heard it right. In less than 3 days, you could be stepping into the realm of financial freedom. Every resource you need is right at your disposal. Picture having the power of 7-figure funnels, high-converting emails, and professional templates, all at your fingertips. This revolutionary tool enables you to replicate a 7-figure business in mere minutes. It's incredibly user-friendly, making it the ideal choice for beginners. Now for the grand reveal. Replicate our 3 secret traffic methods that have generated hundreds of thousands of leads without spending a single penny on ads. Financial freedom is within your grasp with these unique passive income opportunities for 2024. Bid farewell to the 9-to-5 and welcome a life of choice and abundance. Embark on your journey today and watch as your dreams transform into reality. And before you go, remember to like, subscribe, and click the link below for more information. Your journey to financial freedom begins today.